Namaskar. We are going to learn Basics of Madhubani today. So let's start Madhubani painting or Mithila painting. Now let's see what is Madhubani painting. Madhubani painting is a special style of art. Origin of Madhubani painting is border area of present-day Nepal and Bihar and Jharkhand also. How it started? There is a story which says that when Ramchandra ji got married, that time Raja Janak asked the ladies of his kingdom to decorate the walls and floors for the welcome of groom's party. When Raja Dashrath arrived from Ayodhya for the marriage, then whole of Janakpuri was decorated like this, and that art is later on known as Mithila art. If you remember, Sita ji's other name is Janak Dulari, Mithila Putri. So Mithila was the region. These people were very, very nature-loving people, simple people. So they had those things in their mind. So they drew mostly animals, birds, plants and trees. What are the places where nowadays, which are the center? Jitwarpur, whole of Madhubani district, Darbhanga, Hazaribagh, Patna, Ranchi, Chapra, all cities of present day Bihar, Jharkhand and up to some extent Chhattisgarh also. Also Eastern UP also has some Madhubani roots. Now, what are the main components of Madhubani painting? See, whatever we do on the painting, all artwork is known as Alankaran. In Hindi, we write Alankaran. That is the main artwork. Then we have Kachni. Kachni is line work. लाइनें खींचते हैं, लाइनें खींचकर कलाकृति बनाई जाती है और ये लाइनें ज्यादातर ब्लैक कलर की होती है. देन भरनी. भरनी इज इट्स कॉल्ड हिंदी में कचनी. भरनी. भरनी मीन्स कलर भरना, फिलिंग ऑफ कलर इन आवर art piece. Then next thing comes, normally dots are not allowed. Filling of colors in circles and line work is allowed. Then decorations are known as Alankaran. All decorations. Then there are types of Kachni. First, let's say types of Madhubani. Then we'll come to types of Kachni. Various types of Madhubani are in general plants, trees, flowers. Second is animal. Third is human figure, mainly god figures. Then sarovar or pond paintings. तालाब. तालाब की पेंटिंग जिसमें मछली, कमल, fishes, lotuses are shown. Then kobar. Kobar is the painting which will be drawn in every wedding and in kaistas of Bihar and Jharkhand. Kobar is also drawn when child is born and 6th day or 10th day puja is done. So it is called kobar or kobargar. Then next thing comes Kalpavraksh. Then Kalpavraksh has wish tree and there is another thing which is tree of life. कल्पवृक्ष में हम सिर्फ फ्लावर्स, फ्रूट्स ये सब चीजें बनाएंगे और ट्री ऑफ लाइफ में हम जन जीवन भी दिखाएंगे जैसे कि मोर, पक्षी, मछली, एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स, वो सब भी ट्री ऑफ लाइफ के नीचे और आसपास आ जाता है. फिर हमारा बनता है कामधेनु. कामधेनु जैसे कि आप लोगों को पता है, कामधेनु गाय थी और वो समुद्र मंथन के टाइम निकली थी, तो हम कामधेनु भी बनाते हैं. देन डोली. जब बेटी विदा होके जाती है तो डोली में बैठ के जाती है और कहते हैं सीता जी को डोली में बिठा के विदा करा गया था. सो डोली पेंटिंग्स आर वेरी पॉपुलर. एक्चुअली तो देयर आर थाउजेंड्स ऑफ टाइप बट दीज आर जस्ट मेन वन. देन अरिपन. अरिपन क्या होते हैं? अरिपन पूजा में लगाने के चौक होते हैं. अरिपन हमारे करीब करीब 30 टाइप्स के होते हैं और ज्यादा भी हो सकते हैं. हर पूजा के लिए अलग अलग होता है। और 18 अरिपन जो होते हैं, 18 अरिपन्स आर ओनली फॉर सावन मंथ। सावन के महीने के 18 अरिपन होते हैं। मैं लिख रही हूँ यहाँ, सावन के महीने के 18 होते हैं और उनमें भी बहुत सारे वेरिएशंस हैं। 30 से भी ज्यादा होते हैं अरिपन। अरिपन एक डिजाइन है जो कि पूजा में बनाया जाता है, जैसे कि उत्तरांचल में और यूपी में उन्हें ऐपन कहा जाता है, रंगोली कहते हैं साउथ में। तो इस तरीके से ये राजस्थान में मारना कहते हैं। तो ये अरिपन होते हैं, इनके डिजाइन अलग होते हैं, हर पूजा के लिए अलग डिजाइन होता है। उसके बाद हमारा आता है गोदना। गोदना इज ऑल्सो अ वेरिएंट फ्रॉम मधुबनी आर्ट, और ये थोड़ा अलग तरीके से बनाए जाते हैं और इनके बारे में हम आगे फिर डिस्कस करेंगे। ओरिजिनल जो मधुबनी बनाई जाती हैं उनमें हम एक और चीज बनाते हैं जिसको कि हम कहते हैं कुटनी। सो दैट्स आवर 7th फैक्टर। ये टाइप्स ऑफ मधुबनी 6 फैक्टर था। कुटनी क्या होता है? कुटनी जैसे हमने हिंदी में इसको कुटनी, ये जो हमने डिजाइन बनाया इसके बीच में जो व्हाइट स्पेस दिया, तो ये व्हाइट स्पेस इज कुटनी। ओके, जैसे एक और चीज है उसको हम कहते हैं झिटकी। झिटकी में बहुत सारे डिजाइन्स होते हैं और झिटकी has lots of design. Most of them are used to fill the background space between the characters design on the sari, on the dress design in the background of the painting. अभी हमारे which colors we use? So that will be our point number 9. All bright colors are used in Madhubani art. Originally, colors obtained from the plants and ores were used. For example, if you have seen the vegetable torai, its leaves will give a very nice green color. There is a plant which is called sindura. It gives very nice orange color. And you must have seen lots of ladies putting sindoor in their on their forehead. So that is from the original one is from the sindura plant. Then black from the coal, rust from the ores, teso flower gives the pink flower, indigo flower, indigo farming is very popular there, that gives blue color. Lots of shades are obtained from the natural plant. Then our next point is Madhubani art is called Lipna. In Hindi we write La Bade ki matra Lipna. How it was originated? There was a big earthquake in 1934 and one British officer, Mr. Archer, was responsible for that region to see the damage. When he went there, he found that there are beautiful decorations done on the walls, on the floors. So he was very keen to know that who has done this. He started asking people, then they said, we have learned from our mother, we have learned from grandmother, and all the colors were naturally used. He was highly impressed by this. He reported it to center that these people know a very beautiful art. And then center decided, okay, this art can be used to give them some earning which can be used as their monthly income. So they encouraged them to do on the wooden planks. Then they found that wooden plank is very heavy and it's not easy to carry. So immediately people found a solution that they use the cow dung and the straw which are naturally available in the jungles, and they started making handmade paper. So originally it was done on the walls and floors, and then it started getting done on the handmade paper, and till today the best of Madhubanis are done on the handmade paper. There are many good artists. Lots of Padma Shri artists are from Mithila region, and they have got awards for Madhubani paintings. If you are in Delhi, you can see in Pragati Maidan there are paintings. So lots of things are there. Now let's learn types of Kachni. So I'll come to next point, types of Kachni. First one is called straight Kachni. We call it खड़ी कचनी. Okay, actually हिंदी में इसको हम भोजपुरी में हम खड़ी कचनी कहते हैं. खड़ी कचनी क्या है? हमने 2 लाइनें बनाई और उनके बीच में हमने सीधी लाइनें बना दी. We have drawn the straight lines. This is the khadi kachni. Then slanting kachni. This is of 2 types. Slanting kachni, actually its name is tirchi kachni. So it is done like this. And it is also done like this. C part comes double kachni, dohri kachni. So how do we draw double kachni? First we'll draw the lines here. And then we'll draw the lines there. Okay, then semicircle kachni, ardhavrat. We'll draw semicircles. All line work is kachni. If we fill colors in this, it will become dharni. Then chain kachni. This is called zanjeera kachni. Chain सबको पता है ना, जंजीर को कहते हैं. This is zanjeera kachni. So start from here. ये हमारा जंजीरा कचनी हो गया. फिर हमारा आता है लहरा कचनी. तो लहरा कचनी में क्या है? F. लहरा कचनी में भी बहुत सिंपल है. लहरा कचनी 2-3 तरह की हो सकती है. वेव्स बेसिकली. एक तो सिंपल होती हैं जो कि पहाड़ जैसे बनाते हैं, लाइक माउंटेन. ओके, दूसरी होती हैं. The second one is like this. These two are Lehra Kachni 1 and 2. Then we have lots of designs for Vrat Kachni, circle Kachni. If we have this line, in between we are drawing the circles. This is called circle kachni or vrat kachni. In vrat kachni we have lots of designs. We can draw lots of things like we can draw circle and draw dashes. We can draw slanting lines. We can draw khadi kachni. We can draw aadi kachni. We can draw dohri kachni. We can draw dohri kachni इस तरीके से भी, in this way. We can draw circle inside the circle and a flower inside. We can draw Ashtadal flower. Ashtadal flower means 8 petals flower. So first we draw 4 petals and then 8 petals, another 4. There are enormous designs. You can draw thousands of designs in this way. But these are the main ones. Then we have next point. This will be our point number 30. This is called jhitkis. So mainly there are only 3 types of jhitki. There are lots of style. First one is Draw a triangle. This one is known as Trikon Jitki. Trikon Jitki has 3 types. It can be or third one is draw triangle. These all are Trikon Jitkis. Then there is Circle Jitki or Vrat Jitki, which is very similar to Vrat Kachni actually. Very similar. Some people call this also Kachni. They don't differentiate. So in this, if we are giving a design, these all are Alankarans. Many people call them Kachni only. They are more or less same. Then half circle jitkis are also there. Many people believe that there are only Kachni and Bharni. So it's up to us what we take easily, what we can understand. Half circle. Then Kutni, I just said कि 2 ब्लैक लाइंस के बीच की जगह जो है वो कुटनी कहलाती है. जैसे हमने ये ब्लैक लाइंस बनाई, ये हमने कोई डिजाइन बनाया, तो ये जो व्हाइट स्पेस है, ये जो व्हाइट स्पेस है, ये जो व्हाइट स्पेस है, दिस ऑल विल बी कॉल्ड कुटनी. तो ये हमारा बेसिक इंट्रोडक्शन है. आई होप आप लोगों को पसंद आया होगा. इफ यू लाइक इट, प्लीज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल वंदना's आर्ट. Thank you. Namaskar.